looking at finding circumferences, or the circumference of a circle. So you understand key parts of the circle that you need for this: diameter, it's a line from side to side going through the center; radius is from the center to the rim; and circumference is a distance around the outside of the circle, and that's what we're looking to calculate. Two different formula. You can memorize either one will work. It just depends on what you're given, diameter or radius. It's not too much of an issue. So one is pi times diameter, or diameter times pi. The only other one is 2 times pi times radius. So I'm going to get into applying these straight away. So first example here, I've got the diameter and I want to calculate the circumference of this circle. So for that, circumference equals pi d, pi times diameter. So 16 is there, so circumference is pi times 16. Now, good habit is to get into the routine of writing it in terms of pi. So 16 pi centimeters, that's what we have at the moment. But normally a calculated question, so 16 times pi, because if it's calculated, you want an actual answer, and that will give you an answer of circumference being 50.27 centimeters to 2 decimal places. All right, and that is calculating it when you're given the diameter to calculate circumference. Now, if you're given the radius, what you can do one of two things here. So you've got the radius and you've got to calculate the circumference of the circle. You can either start by doubling the radius to get the diameter, and then using circumference is pi times diameter. Or you can use the other one that I said, other formula, which is circumference equals 2 pi r, which I'm going to use here. So that means circumference is 2 times pi times by radius. It doesn't make a difference really which one you use. So here I could say 2 times 10 is 20. So I've got 20 pi centimeters in terms of pi. But you can use a calculator if it's a calculator question. So 20 times pi, and it gets you 62.83 centimeters to 2 decimal places. Okay, so for this you can use 3.14 depending on the question, not all the time. Most may come out as a calculated question or non-calculator, as you can represent it in pi. But that is calculating the circumference of a circle.